Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
It's Tubi Toys.
Well, that's it. We delivered 3 healthy babies today. Yes, doctor. Oh, I hear a knock at the door. Who's that? Oh, that's Doc McStuffin's nurse. Nurse Callie. Hello, sugars. We have an emergency. We have so many babies to deliver that we cannot handle it. We were hoping that you could help us. Sure, I don't see why not. How many babies do you have? We have 6, but there could be twins in there too. Oh my goodness. Bring the babies in. Bring the babies in. That's 1, sugar. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 little Woodzeez babies to deliver. Can you handle it, doctor? I guess so. Let's start delivering these babies. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys and with my awesome assistant,
Tubi.
Can you say hello, Tubi?
Hello, Tubi.
Hey guys, today it's a beautiful day to have babies and we are delivering 6 healthy little Woodzeez babies. But will we find twins or will we have little single babies? And hopefully we can match up the babies with their parents. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. If you haven't already, ring that notification bell. Every time I post a new video or host a giveaway, you'll be the first one to get notified. And if you're first, let me know that you're first in the comments below. Let's get started. Nurse Callie came by and she is helping us deliver these little Woodzeez babies. Look how cute. There is 1 surprise baby inside. So adorable. It includes 1 baby character from Lil Woodzeez, a crib, a bottle, and a little baby bib. And look how cute. This crib is decorated so adorably and is a possibility to find twins. You could either find the piggies or the raccoons. Oh my goodness. What I love about these is that some of these little cribs have different shapes at the end. How cute.
I love that too. And also you can make bunk beds with some.
You can. You could stack them up once we open them up.
Yeah. So
how cute.
Let's open some both of those ones up together.
Okay, let's open up this teal blue one first. I hope we get twinsies.
I hope we get the twinsies piggies.
I hope so too.
Who is it?
Who's the baby? Who's the baby?
He's so cute.
Oh my goodness, just like regular labor and delivery, it's taken forever to get this baby out.
just like our Tubi.
Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, and then we got a little porcupine baby.
And also
and little baby diaper, and look.
A bib.
It's like a plastic bib with a little leaf on it. This is the cutest baby ever. How cute. Oh, I think it's a hedgehog. It's baby hedgehog. Yes, for sure. Zaza, the hedgehog. It's a girl, everybody. Aw. How cute is baby Zaza? How cute are you, baby Zaza? Oh, cool. Okay, baby Zaza, we need to give baby a bottle. Give baby bottle.
After you do that, I'm going to show you the twinsies that you could get. I'm going to show them all.
Oh, baby's already going night-night. Okay, put baby in the crib. Go to sleep. Put baby bottle. And put baby right there. And what can you see? Oh, and these are the twinsies that you can collect. You can either get Manny and Maddie, twin raccoons, and Pod and Pad, twin pigs. Oh, how cute. You could also get Millie the chipmunk, a sheep, a dog, a panda. Oh, I like Zabi the cow. Oh, Junie the koala. These are so cute. Yeah. Let's continue on. Let's open up the pink one next. I like this fuchsia one because it has a little heart at the end of the foot of the bed. I'm just going to get this started for M2B and he's going to open it up. Baby's going to be born in his hands.
Oh my gosh, a bear!
Oh, how cute. And it looks like we have a baby boy. He has a blue diaper on. Oh my gosh, and look, he has a little pink bib.
And
with a flower. Oh, let's put baby inside there and let's take out his baba.
And his passy.
Oh, how cute. They don't come with pacifier. Oh, wow, it's Nino the bear. Little Nino. How cute, little Nino.
He's a boy.
He's a little baby boy. How cute. And you know what? These come off too, so you can mix and match the bibs. That's really cute.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if there's a different bib with, if let's say you get a duplicate, I wonder if you get a different bib.
Oh, yeah, that would be cool. Because then you can keep the big.
Oh,
the bib.
don't cry, don't cry. You're doing great, Sugars. It's okay, dear. Oh, how precious little Nino is. I'm going to take care of him. You open up the rest of them and deliver those sweet babies. Thank you for helping us, everybody. Did you hit that like and subscribe button yet? I hope you did. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, look at Nurse Callie. She's really getting in there helping the babies. That's so sweet. Oh, my goodness. Which one are we going to open up next? Let's open up this green one with the butterfly at the foot of the bed. How cute.
That's what I was going to say, because green's my favorite color, and I like green.
That's your favorite one?
Yeah.
Let's hope we get twinsies out of this one.
Oh, yeah. But I don't think we're going to get on the piggy in this one. I think in that pink one, we're going to get the twinsies piggies.
Let's see who we got. Let's hope we get twinsies. That'd be really cool. I can't get this baby out of this one.
Oh, I think it's definitely twinsies.
You think so?
Yes.
You just said that we didn't get
Oh,
twinsies.
it's the piggy. It's the piggy.
How do you know?
Because I can see the pink eye.
Oh,
Okay.
you see a little eye poking out?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, did we really get the piggies?
Yeah.
We got the piggies! Oh, look at the little piggies! Oh, it's Pod and Pad! Oh my gosh, look at these piggies! We got them out of your favorite green crib! Oh, they're so cute! I love them! You're so cute!
I need to hold you into the
Oh
whole
my,
video.
look how cute they are! Oh my god, I want to give them a hug. You give them a hug too. They're so cute, and they come with 2 babas.
And they're super soft.
So if you're looking for the piggies, this one felt a little heavier, and it's the green one. So hopefully you get lucky and you could find your own twinsies. Oh, how
They're
cute!
so cute.
Oh, can I see them again? Let's see them. Oh, look how cute they are. Look at these little faces, so cute.
And also, if you want to change your diapers and put new diapers on, you can actually change your diapers.
You're right. You can take them off. You're absolutely right. Very, very good. They come with pink or blue diapers. Oh, this is Pod. He wears the blue diaper, and Pad wears the pink diaper. Oh my gosh, little cuties. Oh, let's put them inside their crib. Oh, and let's give them babas. Babas.
Can I have the crib with them inside?
Of course, you want to take care of them? Okay,
Yeah.
M2B's going to take care of them throughout the video. And we'll bring them back in a little bit. Bye-bye, cuties. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, we have 3 more to open. Maybe we'll get lucky and open up the raccoon twinsies.
Whole twinsies.
Oh my gosh, I hope so. Here is a beige crib with a heart at the foot of the bed of the little crib. Let's open it up.
I'm going to feed my babies, so let's show it off on camera.
Oh.
Wait, that was delicious.
Oh, they're talking already, these smart little piggies. You're so smart, you little piggies.
We done eating, and now we can take off their bibs. Now that they're done eating, they could go play in the crib.
Oh my gosh, these piggies are so advanced. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Uh-oh, they're fighting already. Oh no, don't fight.
We're not fighting. We're playing bad guy and superhero.
Oh, okay.
That's why we're doing that.
Here, why don't we give them a toy? Here.
Oh,
Here,
yeah.
here, Pod. Here's a little boat.
And
And here, Pad. Here's a little pink
Teddy.
teddy bear for you. You want to play with those? Yes, we do. Okay.
It's brother and sister, just like my dad.
You're right.
Because he has a sister.
Shh. Oh, they went to sleep. Shh, 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 shh. You can't wake them up. Just be very, very quiet and make sure you hit that like button to make them stay asleep. Hit the like button and subscribe to Tubi Toys so they stay asleep, okay, guys? Shh, shh, shh. Okay. Shh, shh, shh. Oh. Shh. Okay, they went to bed. Okay, shh. Everybody be quiet. Listen. Let's deliver the next set of babies, okay? Shh, shh, shh. Guys, we have a beige one that I forgot to open because I think we got excited with the piggies. Let's open up the beige one now while they're sleeping. And let's be extra quiet. Who is it? Oh my goodness. What is this little thing? Oh my gosh. What is this?
It's a little
bunny? No, it's a little white bear. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Bibs, because fishies live in the water.
This is Moo Moo the bear. Oh my gosh, Moo Moo is just adorable.
It's actually a polar bear.
Is it a polar bear? It is. You're so right. And they love to eat salmon. How cute is this little baby bear? I can't take it.
Yeah, they're so cute.
They really are. You are doing so well. Let's move on to the last 2 sets of babies. Let's hope we have more twins. I can't wait to see. Let's open up this pink one next with the heart at the foot of the crib. Oh my goodness. Here's the Baba. Here's the Baba.
And we got a little...
Oh, who's born? Who is it? Who's the little baby? Oh no, it's a little baby frog. How cute, a little baby. Let's see the baby's name. Oh, I can't take it. This is Kiki. Look at Kiki, how cute. Oh,
He's actually a boy.
oh, it's Kiki's a girl. How cute is Kiki? Oh my gosh. Oh, I love Kiki. Ribbit, ribbit. Is that what froggies do?
Yeah.
Ribbit, ribbit. What else do they do?
They jump on lily pads.
Yeah, and what else do? They do anything else? Do they eat bugs and insects?
They eat flies.
Ooh, watch out for any flies. Cute. Let's put the baby in its crib. Oh, little baby frog. Shh, shh. Okay, go to sleep. We have one more baby to deliver. Oh boy, oh boy. Me too.
They're so fuzzy, they're so cute.
They
I
really
love them.
are so cute.
I think we got the raccoon.
Oh my goodness. What is this? I think you're right. Oh my gosh, guys. Did we really get 2 sets of twins?
I think so.
OMG. I think we got Manny and Maddie. We did. Here's Maddie. Here she is, a little baby raccoon. How cute. Oh my gosh. And there is Manny. It's 2 twin girls. How adorable. And look, there's their babas.
Guys.
Oh my gosh, I love raccoons. How cute. We got 2 sets of twins.
Yeah,
That
so
is amazing.
Yeah.
So cool. And we didn't get 1 set of duplicates at all. How amazing is that?
That's so cool.
We're so lucky. Yay. Hooray. We're so blessed with all these babies. Well, thanks to Nurse Callie. You're welcome, sugars. I picked the right babies to bring. My goodness. We'll take care of them. Oh, I'm happy to hear that, Sugar. I'm going to get back to Doc now. These babies seem like they're in good hands. Thank you so much for helping us. Precious, precious, precious. I cannot believe we got 2 sets of twins. In our next video, we're going to follow up with these babies and see how they're growing. And hopefully we'll have their mamas and their dadas to take them home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. If you haven't already, ring that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and congratulations to all the new mommies and daddies for your little babies. They are so precious. Thanks for watching, guys.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.